Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by warming the engine briefly to make the oil flow. That reduces drain time and picks up debris. Once warm, secure the vehicle on level ground and jack if needed, placing stands for safety. Make sure you have the drain pan under the plug and wear gloves to avoid burns. Using the correct socket, loosen the drain plug carefully and remove it by hand. Allow oil to stream into the pan. As oil drains, inspect the plug and washer for damage and set them aside. Once the oil flow slows, move the pan beneath the filter and use a filter wrench to break it free. Old filters contain oil, so tip it into the pan. After removal, check the filter mounting surface and remove any old gasket fragments to prevent leaks. Prepare the new filter by spreading a thin film of fresh oil on its rubber gasket so it seats and seals. Then hand thread the new filter until it contacts the base, and tighten per manufacturer's spec, typically hand tight plus a partial turn. After reinstalling the drain plug with the correct torque, position a funnel and pour in the specified oil amount slowly so you don't overfill. Once filled, reconnect the battery, start the engine for 1 to 2 minutes, and inspect below for leaks around the plug and filter. Make sure nothing drips. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick and top up if necessary to reach the full mark. Troubleshooting tip: if oil pressure warning appears, shut down immediately and confirm oil level and correct filter installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.